Hey everybody, good morning. It's a beautiful day, beautiful Monday morning, guys. How's everybody doing? It's Nora, the Stock Explorer. How's everybody doing? Guys, we're going to look over some charts, have some chat. I hope everybody had a great weekend, guys. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I had a nice weekend. Got the doggos out yesterday, got them to play around, got them out and playing in the yard. They love being outside, so that was fun for them and good for me outside, just relaxing and enjoying my friends. Thank you, my friends, for the invite. Had a nice day yesterday. Guys, what's going on? What's going on? I think from here on, if I come on around 8:45 or 9, that might be a little bit better of a time frame for everybody. That way we don't have too long to wait before the market open, before the bell. What do you guys think about that? I think that's a little bit better of a time frame for everybody. So let's see who we have. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. All right, guys. Let me pop over to TD Ameritrade, Think or Swim, baby. AMC with the pre-market action. Looking nice in the pre-market. To all my AMC holders, all my AMC Gorilla Gang out there, guys. AMC, I think, is going to have a fantastic week. Hang on to those shares if you got them, guys. And I'd just like to say this is not financial advice. Nothing in here is considered financial advice. A financial advisor would be the best person if you want to have a plan for your retirement or for your investment goals. You always want to at least consult someone. You want to make the most of your 401ks and things that your employers offer and things like that I may not talk about, guys. So don't overlook those resources. A lot of times you can take advantage of those resources for free. There should be an advisor at your workplace, or maybe you have a family friend or somebody that could tell you more about the different investing funds that you could get involved with, but this is for entertainment purposes only, guys. All right, before I go too much further, I want to give a big shout out and big happy birthday to my good friend Sabrina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, that is the reason I am in Orlando, Florida. Hope you have an amazing day. Have a blessed day. All right, guys, if you have a birthday, please let me know. I would like to give you a shout out in the live stream. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a peeky weeky and see what the different stocks are doing today. Let's see, my Robinhood portfolio. I have a confession. It's 25% crypto. And when we took that dive, we took that dip, that Faderoonie McFatty, well, the Robinhood portfolio was not looking too good. But she is recovering nicely. We had a nice weekend for Bitcoin, Dogecoin moving up as well. Okay, we got Bitcoin trying to do the thing, sitting at 34,392 at this very moment in time. We have Doge. Sitting at 25 cents. So your Dogecoin millionaire out there. Shout out to the Dogecoin millionaire. Every time it goes over 25 cents, he is still a millionaire. I think we're just getting started, guys. I try to think about what these cryptocurrencies will do and what they will create and what sort of ecosystem they will create for these different favorite cryptocurrencies, right? And I think we are just at the very, very beginning stages of what they're going to do with them. I don't have any problem holding long term, especially my Doge. I am a Dogecoin fan. So yeah, but for all my Bitcoin holders that took a ding, things are looking up. Hopefully it has reached the bottom, has bounced, and it will continue to move upward for you guys. I grabbed zero point zero 0.01 Bitcoin over the weekend. I grabbed it at 32,634. Cost me 340. I'm sorry. Cost me $326 for that 0.01 share of Bitcoin. Of course, you don't have to buy the whole thing. Not too many of us could afford it, right? I am up $17 already on that, so that was a nice little. I don't know. I took a chance. I felt, every time I watch Cathie Wood, I get inspired. To get into Bitcoin because just the way she speaks about it and everything, guys. If you don't listen to Cathie Wood, listen to her interviews and then listen to them over again. They're just good stuff. That's gold out there, guys. Don't skip over those, in the know with Cathie Wood and stuff like that. Don't skip over those. Those are good stuff. I bought 2 REI puts, $3 puts. Those are looking good. Let's see what REI is sitting at $3.16. So it is above $3, which is all I need. But even if it doesn't go my way, I still like Ring Energy. REI. It is a reasonably priced stock that I think will move up, an American company. They're based out of Texas, so that is my stock pick for people that like the penny stocks or like those high growth small cap stocks. I like REI very much. All right. I think Editas got a pre-market pop today, which is great. Editas, of course, does the gene editing. I think that is a great company moving forward. You have to give them time to do their thing, right? But I think they're going to be doing some cool things. All right, so let's change the grid, and we can bring a couple of other things up here. We can minimize, restore the cells, and we can look at some stocks that I have up here. REI, of course, Tesla, Ag Eagle Aerial Systems, of course, another one that I love. You can see up here on the left hand side, these are the picks I have for my new account challenge, and you can see what's moving and grooving on those. Disney's moving up, inching up little by little. Disney, I still think that's a great price where we're sitting at right now. I'm telling you what, guys, living in Orlando, Florida, Disney is absolutely packed. It appears to me it's filling up like full capacity, guys. Whatever occupancy parameters they have, I'm sure they're maxing those out. They are gonna get that money flowing. The Diz, and it's a good time. Everybody loves it. Of course, their streaming service is doing absolutely amazing, right? So if there's any stocks you guys want to have a look at, I will put them up on the charts for you. And if you're here, please say hello, and please smash that like button, guys. Let me know that you're here. Okay, so a stock that I bought on Friday, I want to talk about a little bit. I bought Generac. I consider that to be my hurricane play. So let's take a look at Generac. It's GNRC, Generac Holdings Incorporated. You see their logo there. Let's make that bigger. Maximize that cell. Let's talk about Generac for a minute. Guys, they cannot keep up with the demand. The energy shortages that are happening over on the more western side of the country, and of course here in Florida, this side we get hit in the Panhandle area with all the hurricanes this is the type of company that is going to do very, very well. They make backup generators for businesses. They even make them for your homes. They are expensive, but well worth it. Okay, when the power goes off, these generators kick on and you don't miss a beat. If you have valuable data, or you have some sort of operations going on where you can't lose security, or you can't lose your camera systems or things like that, you need this type of equipment, the generator, right? The gigantic generator to kick on and keep your business moving, right? Because time is money. All right, so I saw that it was on a dip here, but now she's getting a nice little pop-up. She's got a nice little pop-up there. All right, let's look at her over the year, the 1 year, 1 day. Guys, this company is doing great. Look at this. Look at all the growth. Now, it is on the more expensive side, granted, right? But I think if you grab a couple of these, you're going to be very, very happy with your returns on Generac. We can look at the 1 day, 1 minute. She's having a nice little pre-market. All right, so that's another call out for you, another little freebie. Winner chicken dinner for you guys. That's my hurricane play. Another one would, of course, be Home Depot and Lowe's. Home Depot and Lowe's, they're gonna smash it. Let's see. All right. Put AMC back up here for a second, if I can find it. It's hard to find these stocks. There's so many choices on TD Ameritrade. Sometimes it's hard to see what's going on. All right. So I bought a drone. I tried it out this weekend. I fired the little booger up. It's a cute little tiny, it's called an Acro-Bee. It's a tiny little bitty drone. I wanted to learn how to fly it, and as soon as you got to learn how to figure out the radio controller, so I did that, charged everything up, did that. Everything's looking like we're ready to go. And then I fire up the motors, the propeller starts spinning, and then one goes pew, and it was like, and then it's like going, it's just like vibrating around, not lifting off, and I'm like, okay, something's wrong. I'm like, the propeller flew off. So that was my first drone experience, guys. So now I have to figure out which propeller to put back on to replace it, because in a 4-pack of propellers, there's 2 that spin clockwise and 2 that spin counterclockwise. I've been reading about it, and I think I put one of the ones that spin the wrong way, and of course it didn't fly. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to play with this on another day. So that was my drone experience, but it was fun. It was fun. It's a cool little, cute little thing. Good morning, Rasta Stocks. Good morning. I had an interview, of course, with Rasta Stocks. Guys, if you haven't already watched my interview with Rasta Stocks, you will see that up in the featured videos. And the week before, I did one with Lucas Murphy. You guys want to catch both of those? You're going to learn some things, okay? We all can learn from each other, right? And we talk about a variety of different things, one being AMC, of course. And it was a nice interview. Thank you, Rasta Stocks, for taking your time on the weekend to have an interview with Nora, the Stock Explorer. Appreciate you, man, and I always appreciate you watching. I'm sure you're at work right now, so don't get in trouble. I appreciate your time. It was good. I love your positive energy. I just love your smile, your positive energy, and your willingness to help people in the community, especially our new YouTubers out there trying to make it. We have to help promote each other. Don't forget to smash the like button and share your friends' videos. Help your friends out that are trying to get going in YouTube. YouTube has made it more increasingly difficult to get monetized. However, the community we're building is well worth it. That part of it is priceless. And I appreciate the little things in life. One being Wawa coffee. Shout out to Wawa, I'm a home girl. She gave me a free coffee this morning. Of course I wait in line. I offer to pay. I don't expect it, but it is a nice treat when they give me a free coffee. I am a loyal customer. Appreciate the ladies that work hard at Wawa. Shout out to Shayla, Leo, and my cashier friends over there at the Wawa. Love you guys. All right. It's great that we can all connect. I'm streaming from Orlando, Florida. Rasta Stocks is in New York City. He's living in New York. Successfully living in New York and investing. So paying the bills and investing on top of it. You got it going on, Rasta Stocks. That's not easy to do, my friend. So what's everybody looking at? I know you were looking at Wish, Rasta. So let's have a look at Wish. Let's have a look at Wish. And you were also talking about Nokia. Is this it? No, that's not Wish. Hold on. Wish Art. I'm not sure which one it is. What's Wish ticker is Wish, right? WISH. Why does it say Context Logic? I don't know. That's not it. I don't know what Wish. What's Wish's ticker symbol? If not, we can look at Nokia because I know that ticker. That's NOK. Nokia. Oh my God. What is going on? ADR sponsored. I don't know what that is. I guess it's that. Yeah, there we go. Nokia. Let's have a look at Nokia for a second. Nokia is at 545 on the one. We got her on the 1 minute. 1 day, 1 minute. Let's back her out to the 1 day, 1 year so we can see what Nokia did on the year. Look at this spike. She had a beautiful spike here in, where was that one? January 27th of this year, up to 979. She got that pump. But then, of course, it came back down. Looks like it's getting a little momentum again. It's got a nice little, it looks like it's trying to come back up, man. I think this was a good call out on your part. Let's look on the 1 day, 1 minute. Yeah, it's definitely, looks like it's getting a little volume coming in on it. This might be one to scoop up for a nice little swing trade, the Nokia. Get those 100, Rasta's working on his first 100 shares in Nokia. So yeah, yep, I think that might be a good little call out. Alright, let's pop this back down. Let's look at Tesla Maesla. Let's look at Tesla Maesla, another one we both love. Tesla Maesla. She's trying to get back up to 700. I was watching Kerry from the Best of Us Investors. He has a channel. It's called the Best of Us Investors. He's got a ton of subscribers, got a big following, and over the weekend, he makes a video that says, I'm selling all of my Tesla. And I was reading the comments, and they were just flaming him in the comments. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, this is, I'll see you a year from now, okay? But his premise was, if you watch the whole video, because you have to take everything in context, you can't just read the thumbnail, look at the thumbnail and think you understand what the video is about. And he got a lot of hate on the video, but what he was saying is Tesla going to 10x in the next 5 years? He may have a point. I mean, Tesla has had quite a run. It has had a quite of an amazing run, you know, in the past, let's say 2 years or so, right, guys? So he's looking at it from a growth perspective. Does it have, you know, is it going to 10x his money? He wasn't so sure about that. So he said he was selling it, but I don't know if he truly, I think he said he was selling most of it. He was keeping some of it, and then he was rolling that into some other stock plays. I believe there were some Chinese EV stocks that he was gonna buy with it. But anyway, I follow a lot of different YouTubers, and yeah, that kind of shook up his fan base. You know, when you make a video, you kind of already know in the back of your mind if it's gonna be popular or not. Here's the thing: you're trying to share your knowledge, and he is a retired financial advisor, the real deal. He did that for a living. You're trying to share your knowledge, but sometimes what you're trying to share is not the popular thing. When you tell people to be careful or be cautious, or you might want to take profits and different things like that, right? That's not always popular. That's not always what people want to hear. So they're like, thumbs down, just like, you know. But he may be right. We don't know. And I like to always hear both sides of the story. I'm not selling my Tesla, but I don't have that much Tesla. I have a couple shares of it. So, but I mean, if you're like him and you are a multi-millionaire and you have a massive amount, maybe he wanted to take some profits. Nothing wrong with that. It's his money, right, guys? It's his money at the end of the day, right? So anyway, it's tough sometimes being on YouTube because the community is very kind of emotional and not always ready to ingratiate your opinion. And sometimes the unpopular opinion is actually the best play, but we don't know. We don't know how these things are going to play out. Right? We don't know. He might be right, you know what I mean? We don't know how the rest of this year is going to play out. Let me take a look at some of my picks that I have in my Robinhood portfolio. Of course, Occidental Petroleum has done me really solid. I bought 30 shares, and it's made me a nice little bit of money here. I bought it, looks like I bought it in May, and I bought 30 shares in May, and I'm up $236 already. That was a great swing trade, but I may hold that one long term. I might hang on to the Oxy because it just continues to do well. I'm real happy with the returns on that. I got it at $24.82 a share. I have 30 shares. It has given me a 31% return. That is one of my call outs. If you go back into May, you're going to see I called out Occidental Petroleum, and that was a nice little play. That was a nice call out. On Oxy, they have some carbon capture technology that they are working on. So they're not just a oil company, guys. Look at it. Up and to the right, that's what we like to see. So that was great. It's good to put these different stock picks out there. Another one I called out was Nike. Nike has recently done very well as well. Another one, guys, don't sleep on Ag Eagle. Ag Eagle, baby. Fly, Eagles, fly. Look at this on the, let's look at it on the year, guys. Let's look at it on the on the year. On the year, had this peak up, went as high as 1768. Look, it looks like it's going to be forming that big cup. Okay, she's hit the bottom. She's starting to move back up, guys. She's starting to move back up. Great things all happening in the background, of course, with their non-disclosure agreement. They can't tell you what exactly they are doing or who they are partnering with, but I guarantee you it is a big one. It's a big e-commerce. It's a big one. Don't take this one off your watch list. It's not financial advice, guys, but don't take Ag Eagle off your watch list. I think you'll be real happy with Ag Eagle. Another one I want to talk about is Humble. Let's get ready to humble. We got Humble at 126. Humble is a great stock pick, guys. Humble, humble, humble. Let's pull it up on the big old biggin here. HMBL. I may add this to my new account challenge because this is the only broker I have that I can get Humble on. So if I get it, I'm going to have to get it on my TD. And it's going to have to be part of the new account challenge. And I'm very tempted to show some love to the Humble Nation. We got great people covering Humble. We got Lucas Murphy covering Humble. We got TC from Burner Market Trading covering Humble. I think they are making collaborations for their NFTs with some sports celebrities, guys. It's going to be huge. The NFT world is so fascinating and very mysterious, but it is not going anywhere, and people are spending literally millions on some NFTs, and they are going to be creating more and more NFT art and other things they do with NFTs, and Humble is a big player in the NFTs, guys. Don't sleep on Humble. Keep Humble in your watch list. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you get in this price point. It's under 150 a share. That's a steal. That's a steal in my opinion, guys. That's a steal. Yep. If you'd like to watch some videos on Humble, some good videos on Humble, you want to watch Lucas Murphy and you want to watch TC from Burner Market Trading. They not only cover Humble, but they do it in a very entertaining way, guys. You guys rock. You guys bring the passion. You show your due diligence. You bring the passion. You bring the excitement and enthusiasm about this stock. So you want to watch people that are really truly doing their full due diligence on this company. So I'm going to wrap up the live stream pretty soon, guys, because I want to go on about my day. I got a few errands to run and things like that, guys. So if there's anything you guys want to talk about or that you want me to put up, let me know. AMC, hey, we got Dividendology on here. Hey, good morning, Dividendology. Dividend stocks are great. The dividend stock I have in the new account challenge is Big Mo or Altria. Big Mo, got Big Mo. Let's take a look at Big Mo. There are many, many great dividend stocks, but we will look at Altria. She gives a nice dividend. That was my dividend pick for the new account challenge. It's looking good, looking good. She's under $50. I think it's appropriately priced. It's appropriately priced, and I think you will have a lot of stability if you build some of your positions out in some of these tried and true dividend stocks. They will weather the storm for you nicely as we go forward. If you have a favorite dividend stock, dividendology, let me know. And of course, looks like you're in AMC because you say AMC, baby. AMC, Gorilla Gang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. AMC may just possibly be the best stock I picked this entire year. We will see how she plays out, but I'm excited to watch it play out. I de-risked my position. I'm riding out with 50 shares in Webull, and I have a few shares in my other accounts, and I have 3 shares in the new account challenge, so you guys can follow along with the AMC action. My friend Rasta Stocks bought a MacBook Pro with his AMC attendees. That is awesome. It's good to see you are investing in yourself. He's building his own channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead over and check him out. Rasta Stocks has a cool channel. He is working on his first 1,000 subs like I am. Guys, if you are here, please don't forget to smash the like button. And after the live stream is over, please return to leave a comment in the comment section so that my watchers can find your channel. Give yourself a shout out and they can find your channel in the comments. You got to comment. That is how people find new channels. Of course, if you'd like to look at my subscription list, it is always public and you can see the different channels that I support that support me. If you'd like some ideas on different smaller and medium-sized channels to collaborate with, you can look in my list of subscriptions up there at the top. If you are inclined to do so for some ideas and get some ideas on some other channels out there. All right, guys. Looks like it's going to be a good week. I pray that it is. Guys, be kind to each other. Do something for somebody. Call your mama if she's alive, right? Show your friends some love. Reach out. Talk to somebody that maybe you haven't talked to in a while. Whether it be a friend or a family member. Make sure everybody's good in your world. And that good karma will come back on you guys. And I wish you investing success. I hope you like some of my call outs. And I will be seeing you guys later this week for the new account challenge update. I'll be adding $100 to the new account. And then, of course, on Friday morning, I will come on live again to talk to you guys again and share my thoughts about what is going on in the stock market. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.